Gadget Junkie here, bringing you guys a drone gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring this propeller holder for the DJI Air 3 Air 3S. Full transparency, I bought both the drone and the propeller holder with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So, just picked up this Air 3 recently, and if you know anything about putting drones in and out of your bags, these propellers can have a mind of their own at times, right? And so, wanted to get a propeller holder for holding my propellers together while I put the drone in and out of my bags. So I picked this one up. It's very nice. It's made out of a hard plastic for the bottom. It's got this silicone band for holding your top propellers on. Super easy to put on. Once you get your propellers in the right place, simply put the bottom piece on like so. The band goes over the top like so, and it's set and ready to go. So does a really good job of holding the bottom props and your top props in place without crushing them. As you see, it's got that thick piece there that goes between the arm and the propellers. That's on both sides. And then on the bottom here, it's got this standoff right here so that your propellers aren't being crushed on the bottom. It's formed to the airframe, so it fits nicely and just makes putting your drone in and out of your bag a breeze. So if you guys look for a propeller holder for your DJI Air 3 Air 3S, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.